Hello everyone, how's it going? I hope you're all doing well. In today's video, we're going to talk about Adobe stock, which has dropped 40% from its all-time high. Is it a good time to buy? Let's dive right in. Adobe stock hit an all-time high of $699.54 on November 19, 2021. As of June 13, 2025, the price sits at $413.68, which means it's down roughly 40% from its peak. Here's the one-month chart. Without any trend lines, the chart kind of looks like it's forming a double top pattern. However, when we zoom out, we can see that the price recently bounced after touching the red trend line support. That suggests the double top might not be valid just yet. Also, the price is still quite far from the horizontal blue neckline. The stock's next move, whether it goes up or down, will likely depend on the company's financial performance. If earnings come in strong, we could see the price rally to the $550, $580 range. But if earnings disappoint, the stock could drop further and confirm the double top pattern. Looking at the latest income statement as of May 30th, 2025, both revenue and net income have increased compared to May 30th, 2024. This suggests that Adobe's business is still growing and currently remains in positive territory. On the right side of the screen, I've prepared a quick checklist marking each financial metric as positive, negative, or neutral. Now let's move on to the equity section. Here's where things get a bit concerning. Equity has dropped sharply because Adobe has been aggressively buying back its own shares, spending more cash than it did last year. This decline in equity can be dangerous for investors. At the end of the day, when you buy a stock, you're essentially buying the company's equity. So if equity keeps shrinking over time, regardless of the industry, it puts long-term investors at risk. The basic investing principle remains: buying stocks equals buying equity. Conclusion: avoid this stock. Here's why. The chart may be setting up for a double top, especially if financial performance weakens. Equity continues to decline, reducing the true underlying value of the company. That's it for today's discussion on Adobe stock. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any additional insights or corrections, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Also, if you think this video might help others, go ahead and share it. And if there's a particular stock you'd like me to review, let me know in the comments. See you next time. Bye.